Yeah, welcome back to AWS classes. So yesterday we had a conversation. We had discussed about SNS, okay, and also Route 53 in the morning session. Afternoon session was SNS, Simple Notification Service. I hope you got it, guys. I hope you understood all those two topics. And today we are going to discussing about CloudWatch. Okay, this is a very much important topic which is very useful for AWS and also some other, okay, not only for AWS, okay, any other tools, some different extra third party tools, okay, open source tools are also available for the monitoring. So let us discuss on this. Okay, can anyone tell me what is exactly CloudWatch? Have you heard about this?
It is like a monitoring tool, sir, like Ansible.
Yeah, your first one is correct actually. It is monitoring tool, right? You're right. But Ansible is different. And Ansible is for configuration tool. That is completely different. Okay. So you're right that it is monitoring for
Grafana
your
or something other
services.
tools are
Yeah.
like Grafana.
Yeah, yeah. Grafana is there, right? You're right. Grafana is there. Will come to that also. So CloudWatch simply the definition of what CloudWatch is: watch means watching, seeing, continuously observing, or continuously monitoring. Okay, this is called as watch. You are seeing something is called watch. Which you are watching? Cloud. You are watching to the cloud. Which cloud? Related to AWS. AWS CloudWatch. Related to AWS services. This CloudWatch is watching. Okay, CloudWatch is one of the AWS service. CloudWatch is monitoring service. Okay, it will monitor the AWS tools and services. Mostly AWS customer will prefer the AWS CloudWatch because it is AWS own service. And we have alternate services also, third party tools which are Datadog, Splunk, Grafana, App Dynamics, okay, Dynatree, Azure Monitor, okay, and some other monitoring tools are there. So plenty available. So CloudWatch is very famous for AWS because it is internal. So whatever the services, if you have already services is available for the AWS, so it is easy to set up. Okay, already it is existed. Whatever the services are there, for that AWS CloudWatch is easy to set up. Okay, so and I'm sorry. So basically, CloudWatch. So why we have to use? That is the question. Everyone will get doubts. What is CloudWatch? That is fine. This is watching some services. That is fine. So why we have to do this? Okay. Why in the sense? So you have a services. Okay. You might have a Lambda service. You might have EC2. In that EC2, some servers will be running. Okay, might be some servers are running, for suppose that service, whatever the servers are there, that servers may be continuously some customers hitting, continuously using your data in, means it will reach the, it will reach your system configuration, it will reach your system memory, whatever memory is there, either it may be RAM or it may be CPU, hard disk, anything you can say. If it reach the up to the level, if it reach the, so up to the level mark, up to the mark, definitely server goes down. It should not happen. Definitely customer will dissatisfy with this kind of scenarios. So that reason, if your application goes down, your server goes down, whatever the business is running backend, that business will affect. It should not happen. That is the reason, to know what is happening. So before only we'll get alerts. By using CloudWatch, we will get to know the things. Okay, we will get to know, okay, something is happening, alarm getting. So SNS is also the part of it. Okay, SNS we had discussed yesterday. You will get notifications by using SNS. Okay, this CloudWatch will send notification by using SNS. Okay, so RAM is under control or not, disk space is there or not, CPU status is running properly or not. Okay, to know about all these things. Okay, it monitors and it gives alerts through SNS, as I told you. Okay, and if it is reached up to 70% or 80% or 90%, if you set up it, okay, if you set up it 90, if it reach up to 90, so automatically, if you keep something like get greater than 90, if it reach greater than 90, you will get alerts. Less than 90, you will get alerts. Okay, so equal, greater than or equal to 90, even if it is reached 90% only, you will get notifications like that. So it will gives information to the automatically auto scaling. For suppose, I'll let you know. For suppose, see, this, okay, whatever the resources are there in AWS, resources will be there. Okay, your data will be there in AWS. Okay, that data is connected with the CloudWatch. Okay, this is the CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a service where you keep with your services. Okay, you have to attach with that. So then CloudWatch will take care from there. CloudWatch will continuously will monitor the complete performance, everything. Okay, by using metrics. You do so in CloudWatch. What it will gives, it will give the metrics. Okay, or suppose it is X, it is Y. For every 5 minutes, or 15 minutes, it's based on your requirement. So you will set up. Okay, 5 minutes, maybe if it is reached 20, after that 60, okay, 80. Initially, okay, your performance is okay, so 20% reached your space, for suppose. So after that, after using sometimes maybe 40%. Okay, so after that 10%. Okay, if you don't use 10%, if you use more high, okay, if it reach 8, so this metrics will comes like this. Okay, metrics. So these metrics, whatever metrics are there, these metrics will give, okay, for line metrics or different metrics we have. So these metrics will be provided by CloudWatch for better understanding. Okay, so then if something is happens, when you will get alarm, this alarm. Okay, so the statistics, whenever CloudWatch is the same thing, this one, whenever CloudWatch are continuously you have attached with the CloudWatch, automatically the statistics will send to your console. You can see from your console. Okay, these statistics will provided by CloudWatch. And also something is happens with your application, you will get alarm. Okay, this alarm will send to you in the sense email by using SNS, simple notification service. And if you have a auto scaling, automatically whenever it reaches up to 90 or 95%, so auto scaling, if you have auto scaling, it will restart your, it will again will start new service. Okay, next another service will start. Okay, without down your application, it will again auto scaling will do, it will start new service. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is what. And so in companies will monitor mostly CPU utilization. Okay, in companies basically most of the companies monitor CPU utilization, load of my instance or instances. Okay, CloudWatch, what it will do is it will create graphs to show us pictorially, which I have shown you. Okay, for suppose this is very bad. Okay, this graphs in your studies also you have seen these kind of graphs, I think so, right? Can you see these guys clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have okay, default 5 minutes, okay, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, okay, 30, so something like this, 10, 20, okay, 30, 40, 50, 60, dash 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 up to 100%. Okay, it will be there like this. So it is your CPU. Okay, CPU. So initially whenever you start, if you have no load, it will be here itself 0. Okay, for 5 minutes you will get matrix. After that you might have installed something. Okay, it reached up to 10%. Okay, so after that you kept some big application. Okay, it will reach up to 60 or 70%. hmm? So after that you have stopped the services, so you are not utilizing it, so again it will come here. Okay, 0. So then after you start the service, okay, immediately maybe it will take like this. Okay, after 30 minutes, you may be uh, you did not stop and you did not start anything, you just keep like this, then it will be come like this. This is just a simple general scenario. So graphs, how graphs, it will be like this, the way it will show like this. Okay, so for suppose after 1 hour, 1 hour, so continuously your customers are continuously hitting your service. Okay, hitting your service, continuously getting data. Okay, so continuously getting data in the sense, definitely if you have a somewhat some CPU, right, RAM might be, for example, RAM 2 GB. Okay, so RAM you have 2 GB. Okay, CPU percentage, maybe if it is reached 80. Okay, for suppose if it is reached 80% here. Okay, this is deadline, so you kept it, you kept this. Okay, up to it will reach here after 1 hour. So then immediately whenever it reached 80%, you will get alert. Here you set the alerts. Okay, 80%, here at 8% you have set the target for giving the alerts. By using SNS you will get email. This is the way. So this is the way generally CloudWatch will do. Okay, so CloudWatch will capture every 5 minutes of data. Okay, and like this we can able to verify and understand how much, okay, how the performance of CPU percentage, and for every 5 minutes it will monitor your CPU and will show you performance of the RAM and CPU, etc. But you know, this is actually whatever which I have shown you, this whatever which I have shown, this 5 minutes is default by AWS. Okay, default by AWS. Don't sound. Okay, by AWS, whatever you are getting initially, if you launch any EC2 instance, initially if you launch any EC2 instance, by default you will get 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes metrics. Okay, by default every 5 minutes, for every 5 minutes you will get alerts like this. But in detail metrics, if you want, in detail metrics if you want, you have to set, this is chargeable. Got it? Right? So so what actually will happen if you want to monitor every 1 minute? So watch, which means like for every 1 minute if you want to watch. Okay, so which means CloudWatch will capture information every 1 minute. Okay, for suppose here you have captured every 5 minutes, right? Every 5 minutes here, but I want every 1 minute. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't forget this. Okay, forget this. This is 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes you kept. So if you keep like this every 1 minute, in the sense it will show very low here. Okay, something like initially if it is here. So every 1 minute, in the sense maybe 20%, after that 30%, after that very minor 40%, okay, after that 50, 60. So some maybe you might have stopped, or else you are not keeping any load, it will be 20%. Immediately you kept load up to reached, see, up to reach within 5 minutes alerts. Okay, so graph will be show like this in minor. Okay, something like this. Okay, in detail, if you go very depth in detail, so you will see this monitoring for every minute, it will show the metrics. Okay, if you want more accurate data, you have to reduce the time interval. This is called as detailed, very detailed monitoring. This detailed monitoring will not be free. Okay, above 5 minutes, if you want to extend, you can extend up to, for example, 5 minutes you can keep. Okay, if you want to keep every 30 minutes, you can keep every 30 minutes. Okay, interval every 30 minutes. If you want to get a matrix, you will get it, right? But it is free. It is free. Above 5 minutes, with whatever you keep the matrix above 5 minutes, it will be free, but below 5 minutes it is chargeable. Mind this. Okay, so you have to keep in mind. Okay, so let's see this. Let's see how it works. So this is a CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a service. See this? CloudWatch is a service which is provided by AWS. It is internal service. You can see logs, metrics, alarms, dashboard services. Okay, these are providing by CloudWatch. You can click it on. Okay, this is CloudWatch, and I want to show something. EC2 instance. I will try to launch EC2 instance. Okay, I'll try to launch EC2 instance. Web, where I am, Mumbai. Okay, web 1. Okay, web in the sense web server. Okay, take Linux. This is all common. Okay, keep here web 1. Network, that's fine. Existing, if we have, no problem, it will allow. Networking settings, okay. Configure storage. Okay, very strict to micro. Okay, all generations. Configure storage, that's fine. EBS volumes, file systems. Okay, advanced details. Instances, metadata. It's fine. See, let me try to launch instance. See this, after this you got extra options. See, manage CloudWatch alarms. You can also go directly from here. Okay, if you want to create the alarms, you can create the alarms from here itself. Okay, sample metric data you can also see from here, but we did not keep any load, right? So let me see the instances. So you see here monitoring. I'm sorry, see monitoring. So this is default monitoring, guys. This is default monitoring. This is default monitoring. If you want to keep alarm recommendations, you can keep. If you want to add dashboards, you can also add dashboards, but you have to create by using CloudWatch. Okay, create new. So we'll see one by one. Okay, so whatever we got, that is default one. Okay, this monitoring which we got, whatever the monitoring we got, this is default. Okay, and for example, so we could not able to see here anything, right? Nothing. So let me do one thing. So I'll go to CloudWatch. Okay, I'll try to create CloudWatch, create alarms, metrics, select a metric. Okay, guys, you see this, you'll get options like this, for which you want to, for what service you want to keep this alarms: EBS, EC2, EFS, or events, logs, NAT gateway, S3 usage. These services is showing, okay, in Mumbai region. If you want to, whatever I want to show metrics to EC2, I want to create for this. See, pre-instance metrics. Click on this. So let me go to my instance 6BE. So I did not get it yet because it's not ready yet. 6BE. So let me go back again, or else refresh. EC2 instance, pre-instance metrics. So we'll do one thing, I will copy my instance ID from here because there are a lot of things there. So I'll paste here, enter. You can see here, see this guys, this is related web1, right, which I have created. The service is web1.
Yes, sir.
So this you got it. So for what I have to keep the monitoring, what I have to, so there are a lot of things, right? So disk read only, CPU. So for what I have to keep, so I have to specify here. Okay, so per instance metrics means individual instances you can see. Cool. That's why we have clicked on pre-instance metrics. Individual instances you can select. That's why we came here web1. Okay, so let's select any CPU utilization. Where is CPU utilization? Yes, this is CPU utilization. Okay, I will select the metric. Okay, so this is the graph. Okay, CPU utilization, instance ID 6BE. So static, what I have to give here, static, that is static static averages, sum maximum. Okay, let it keep, no problem. This is actually 5 minutes is default guys. Okay, below 5 minutes if you want to keep, this is chargeable. 1 minute, 30 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever it is there. If you want to keep 1 minute, this is chargeable. Okay, so let me keep this, here it is. CPU utilization greater than how much we can keep, 70 or 80, at 50 you can keep 50. Okay, if it reach 50%, okay, greater than 50%, it is greater or equal to 50%. If it reach 50%, it will get, you will get notification, or lower or equal to 50%. So this is lower, 50% lower, but it is continuously you will get alerts, like continuously you will get alerts, because you kept lower in the sense 50 is low, 40 is low, 20 is low, 10 is low, 0 is low, right? So we have to keep this. If it reach 50%, you will get alert. Okay, and notifications, let me go to this next. Notification, what does it mean guys? I need response from you. What is this?
Alert, sir.
Huh?
Alerting or informing us.
through mail. Sir.
Guys, this is SNS, notification,
Yes,
simple
sir.
notification service. That's what I
Yeah.
expected. Okay, so we have to create the notification here. So we don't have any notifications earlier, right? So now I have to create the notification for the alarms, and that I don't have a existed one. If you have existed one, you can select here. You don't get it, right, because you don't have exist one. I need to create the topic. Okay, default CloudWatch alarm topic, it is came. I have to give my email ID, Lokesh DevOps, I don't know, mail ID, forgot. Is it Lokesh DevOps or Lokesh Kumar DevOps 92@gmail.com. Let me check guys. Lokesh DevOps 92, right? This is the email, and create a topic. Guys, we are not creating separate SNS while we are creating this alerts only, metrics only, we are giving topic. Okay, this is my email ID. Okay, so then next what I have to do, create a topic already. So is auto scaling, EC to action. See, we are working for EC2, right? EC to action. This EC to action, alarm name. This is in alarm, stop instance, terminate instance, reboot. So we have to select this one. For what purpose you need to get the alarm? Okay. So for this, okay, I'll also do this.
We
I
already
will.
mentioned, no, sir.
Huh? What?
We
This is
already mentioned the reason, sir. Like CPU. For CPU, we mentioned the reason.
CPU, including if you want EC2 also you can do. This is yours option actually. If you want to keep for Lambda also you can keep. Auto scaling also you can keep. EC2 you can keep like that. For EC2 instance also I want to keep. I want to show you. That's why I just mentioning extra reboot. Actually I am doing it for CPU utilization only. But I also want to mention this. You can mention. This is option for you, not mandatory. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let me go to the email because I have sent you request, right, from topic SNS. See this, I have to confirm the subscription. So yesterday we did it, guys. We have done all these things. So subscription was confirmed. Okay, and now I have to system manager action. This action will be creator incident or system manager alarm listed. Okay, no problem. Next, the subscription is done. So let me try to open SNS separate. SNS, I have subscribed, right? I just want to confirm, that's it. So before closing anything, before confirm this, I just want to check here. Okay, see this, guys, this is default one which is came from CloudWatch. So you have to click here. This is my email ID in front of you. I have mentioned, right? This is one and also confirmed, right? That's it. Next, alarm name, what I have to give? This is a CPU utilization, right? I will give CPU 50% percentage. Yeah. Next, okay, see this red mark, they kept target, they kept deadline. This deadline, if it reach, you will get notification. Okay, so I have created alarm. Okay, and I have also set it this. That's fine. We have to cross check, and just one click is pending. That is create alarm. Okay, let me do this. Okay, it got created. See this, guys, but it is not yet ready. See, insufficient data, nothing is there, so no load in this. So not sure whether it is getting or not. See this, nothing it is showing because we have not created, we are not keeping any load on this machine. So let me try to connect. Sorry, it's a bit slow. This is I'll go to this one, console. Let me delete all previous one. Let me take new session. Okay, I'll go to here, connect SSH client. Okay, I have to copy and I have to paste here and go to key where I have kept this in a downloads. Okay, let me choose this, and I want this color always. I will prefer this color. Background color is pure black always. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yes, we have connected, right? We have connected sudo su, right? Hey, sorry, right? So now what I have to do is, so I have to give one loop, okay, because I don't have any data, so I don't have any applications, so that's the reason I want to give one loop, okay. So while true true semicolon do echo echo semicolon and done. Let me give this. So this is continuous infinity loop. It will continuously create like this, no stop. Continuously it will move like this, continuously infinity, continuously move like this, not stop until I stop. Okay. So this is infinity loop. This will continuously run, gradually increase the load. Let's wait and check. Okay, go there. Where is here? I will refresh. See this, guys? It is started, I think so. This one. See this? Just started. CPU utilization 0.23%. So let's see. So it is running. Yes, continuously it is running. No worries. So we'll see. As and when it reaches 50%, you will get alert. వెళ్తున్నారా? Okay, let us wait, because we kept 5 minutes, right, guys? So we have to wait for 5 minutes. So what we have to do until 5 minutes?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yesterday I bought the domain and connected name server, sir, and it's working. But if I stop the instance and we cannot stop the root 53, sir.
No, you should not. If you stop it, definitely you have to create again and again. It will take time actually.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Actually, yesterday night I created it.
Okay.
Morning I saw it was already billing. It started with billing. So
How much you got?
like $0.5, sir.
That is not that much big one, right? So I got more than $25.
Yeah.
See
Total
this?
already $7 is there, sir.
$7?
Total billing amount is $7, sir, almost. No problem, sir.
That's not a big deal, okay? So you have to pay. You have to pay, definitely.
Yes, sir.
That is important one, very much important, I'm telling. Whatever you are spending for AWS, 100% it will get back to you with single penny. Okay, you will get it back. No worries about it. You are doing good things, guys. You are spending for good thing. No, no problem at all. Don't worry about that. See, it is reaching, guys. How much percentage got reached? 28.
28%.
I will stop it. I'll stop it. I will run the same command again. Let me do again and again. We should not have taken 5 minutes, guys. We should have set it at least 1 minute like this. It is also chargeable, that's fine. Okay. So whenever you see the alarms, you have to increase the configuration of the machine. So for example, if you see any alarms, okay, into your email, okay, if you get an email, so you have to increase your configuration, or else, so if there is any auto scaling, you don't worry about that. But if you don't have auto scaling, so whenever you see the alarms, you have to set right your machine, okay, or else you have to increase the configuration. Okay, let me refresh again. How much it is reached? 28 only. Where is ChatGPT? It is very much important for cloud engineers, guys. Okay. We actually should not mention 5 minutes, guys. Unnecessarily wasting time. We should have kept out list. So let me. I'll try to increase the I'll try to increase the load by keeping some applications, some servers. Sometimes let me know all comments at a time. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's active. Let me check now. Somewhat load I have increased, right guys? So then see this, it's reached up to
Yes,
41%.
sir.
We are
41.
near, yeah, we are very much near. We are close to the result. So let me do one thing. I will use the previous infinity loop. Okay, enter. I'll go to the here, refresh it. So yes, okay. Guys, it's taking every 5 minutes, guys. Almost we are wasting 10 minutes. Okay, I did mistake actually. We should have kept at least 1 minute. Time wasting, man. Time is very much precious, very precious. See this? Within 5 minutes. See this? 15, 30. Okay, 230, 245, 3, 315, 334. So which means whatever the time it is, guys, see the difference. Okay, just to simply see the difference. Where is our graph? See this, guys? Near. See this, guys? Different graphs. In numbers you can see the percentage. In gauge you can see in gauge. Okay, you can see in bars, bar graph, like cricket, in cricket match you can see that, right? Pie charts, by using pie charts. We have to set up that, so it is not available. Whatever available it is showing. Hey, it is getting down, man. We have to do something. Okay, CPU utilization. 1 second, guys, it is getting down. So let me run the command again. Oh, sudo I forgot, I think so that's why it's not shown. That's fine. It is everything is up to date, man. At least a server should be run anything, so it is not running, right? That's the reason. Service httpd restart. Okay, also I'll do this. Go to this, refresh. Wow, it's decreasing. So we don't have much load actually. How to create infinity loop for Linux machine. Hey, what happened? We don't have any applications, right? That's the reason this is bit machine is also very much slow. Why? Okay, let me try this. Okay, let's try this. Okay, now 1 second, let it run for 2 minutes at least. Are you guys with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Yeah, is it interesting or boring?
Interesting, sir.
So let me refresh this. So while you are watching, guys, however, I'll share with you a video, right? You can just skip this time. No need to wait for this. So it is continuously, it is working. That's fine. Oh, too much. Very sad. Okay. Hmm. This is good challenge. CloudWatch. Okay, CPU utilization is getting down. Now what I have to do is go to alarms. Where is my alarms? See this? Logs. In alarms. Hey, where is my alarms, guys? Where it has gone?
All alarms.
Create alarm. Select metric. EC2. I don't wait guys. I don't have that much time. I can't wait more than. So again take CPU utilization. Okay. For how much time? See this? I will take only 30 seconds. Let it be built, no problem.
But you selected another instance, I can see.
Hmm?
You selected another instance, I
We
think.
have only one instance actually.
Oh, okay.
We don't have more instances. Okay. So again, one step over, go back. Do I have previous? Yes. So let me, I don't wait more because we already wasted a lot of time. Okay. 30. Again, go back. I have to confirm. So 30% greater than or equal. That's fine. Next. So do I need to create new topic? No need, right? Already it is there. Okay, the same one which I am using. Also easy to mention this also this time. Okay. Next. Alarm name. How much? 30. 30% CPU utilization. Okay. And next, go to next. So it's getting ready, and deadline and whatever the red mark is set it for you. So now what I have to do is I will refresh, go to CloudWatch here, CLYOD cloud, CloudWatch. So 2 alarms I have set for one machine. Okay, see this? What is this? Only one
So
additional.
alarm is not created, I think, sir.
Hmm.
In the previous page, you did not click on create alarm at large.
Okay. So this one. Oh, good catch, man. Good catch. Really good catch. Let me refresh here. All right. See this? 30% also set it up. We can able to see 30% as well, right? So let me go in depth. I'll try to run the server. Okay. Local time zone. You just mention like this, and whatever the machine is there, let me keep something here. Control C. Something we have to give. That's it. At least somewhat big. Okay. We don't have this directory. I'll do this again and again. Okay, what is the command? While command, yes. Let me do this also. Until then, I'll go and check here alarms. Where is alarm? This is okay. 30 seconds already done, I think so. So all alarms go to 50%. See, insufficient data. It is showing. See this? Hello. Insufficient data and actions. Let me open this. Okay. Can I able to change? So 5 minutes. I have to remove this actually, guys.
You can edit, I think, sir. In actions, edit option is there.
Yeah, let me do this also. So I'll keep only every 10 seconds. I'll keep, and also I'll keep this 10%. Next time. Don't want to buy anything. Almost we have waited 15 minutes more than that, I think so. Unnecessarily. Okay. Update alarm. Okay. Go to alarms. All alarms. This one. Let me try to do something here. Control C. Control C. And what is infinite loop can we do? So this is while loop, this is for loop, this is until loop, while loop, copy. Insufficient data. Okay, control C. Guys, that infinity loop is work. Definitely it will work, but I'm doing actually cancelling continuously. I have to wait patiently. Patience. We have to show patience, but thing I'm not showing many patience because so I have some other things to do. So that's why. So you have to wait. If you wait, definitely it will get. And load also you should keep enough load. Okay. Hope I guess nothing here. Okay, that's fine. And here I will refresh here. Okay, so in companies, so actually these kind of metrics will use. Okay, for CPU utilization, mostly all companies will follow the same for mainly CPU and RAM utilizations. Okay, so RAM also will also create for the RAM. So let me. So I'm actually trying for the result here. So once after this, insufficient data, then how it works. Alarms. It is insufficient data. Sudo. Not getting. Now you are getting bored. I know, guys. See, it's not supporting me. See, almost near, but it is not crossed. This is how the fate is. That's fine, no problem at all. It is. I completely disturbed everything. See here, not reset. Fine, guys. So we'll do one thing. I'll take a break and we'll connect again. So next, you will get, definitely you will get alerts. So I will show you for the RAM. Okay. So we'll create next alarm for the RAM. Okay. So we'll see how it runs. Okay. I mean, next time we'll take detailed uh, metrics. Okay. If we take detailed metrics, so then so initially you can select a very less span of time. So it will show clear and very less span of time you will get alerts. Okay. So it will show a detailed metrics also. I will also reduce the time as well. So even I don't delete anything. Let me keep this also. So I will show you this next time. Okay. So guys, please are you
Okay, sir.
guys are available for next class? I will update you.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next we will set up for the RAM utilization. Okay, how much space, how much RAM utilized for your machine. Okay, how to set up that. Oh, okay, we'll see that. So next class we'll catch up you. I will take somewhat break and we'll sit together. Okay, all right. Thank you guys.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sure, sir.